pretend to be a cleaner in the gym. You can do a little bit another technique and exercise. You mean it's a good technique?
I think so. It's good. It's good.
Who are you? I've never seen you here.
I'm a cleaner here. I'm just handing around cleaner. Like,
So I'm gonna take advice from a cleaner now, yeah?
I don't know, I just want to give you advice. You can do a little bit another technique and exercise.
Really? Why don't you show it to me? Like how
I can show you.
What's holy Bro. You clean around the places with this?
Yeah? What?
Too heavy.
What do you mean?
Bro, try it out, yeah.
Why you just hold it, please?
But they Hennessy, they
Like
falling
this one.
up, all these niggas is winning leagues. Life gave me limit.
What?
This is one of the most craziest things I have ever seen.
Biggest man ever.
Are you for real? I just want to touch and see, bro.
AI. I'm sorry, guys. I should go.